Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Crypto.com account. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Simply go ahead and type in crypto.com/price and press enter on your keyboard to end up in this page. Now, go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner in order to log into your Crypto.com account. You can also continue to log into your Crypto.com using the Crypto.com application, or if you want to log in with your browser, go ahead and enter your email address followed by your account's password in the respective text boxes. If you don't remember your password, simply click on the forget password link and follow through the prompts. After filling in your credentials, click on login, and then you will be able to log into your Crypto.com account. So that's how easily you can access your Crypto.com account online within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.